Right, let's put this on. Where was our entry? There. And then our stop was here. Lovely. Right. Nice little gap to the upside. Evening, Harry. Evening, Isa. Evening, Robski. Had a response. Harry, what have they said to your response? Evening, Shaz. Tinson, 6-7. My goat. Evening, Chris. Moses. Daily open incoming? Yes, I agree. Leo. Evening, Leo. Evening, Mukul. Evening, Joe. Crob. Lady H. Stone. Good morning from Sydney. Oh, that's mad. How is it over there? Eden Elms, Rob, Chris, Aaron. Oh, Gianni. Sadam, Big Rick, Aaron, Nikos, Lotus, Matt, Gus, Firewatch, Dev, the man, the myth. Oh, this guy. Just an acknowledgement, really. Sent you out on DM. Basically said they'll be in touch. Harry, when they get in touch, send it over to me because I'll look for it I'll look for it and everything and get like a really nice kind of appraisal and argument built for you because what I don't want to see is them come back with some shit at you, if you know what I mean, and just kind of like, I don't know how to describe it. Normally what they'll do is they'll come back and say like, well, this isn't, for example, this what you've done is, no, we consider it this, and then it's then about forming the argument of, okay, so you consider this, but it's not actually true. So we'll need to work that out. But anyway, evening Yusuf, evening Rule, evening Ashi. Finally the name, bro. I got there, man. Evening Matt, Frank, Michael, John, Double John, Reese. Oh, Adam supports me. What a goat, man. Evening Stephen, evening Lon. Big boy stream today. Yeah, man, it's crazy. Seems you've been forgetting a lot, bro. For real. Do you think it'll be a bit of back and forth? Harry, from my experience with props, right? Yeah, it will be a lot of they say this, you say this, and it'll be an argument that you'll meet a mutual agreement. But hopefully, I just want to hope that the mutual agreement that we can get to will be in our favour, not theirs. So yeah, I'm definitely going to try my hardest. Basically, it's a pretty good argument, like concrete. It's just I might show Adam because Adam's just asked there what happened. So I'll show Adam, or you can show him, and then we can get to cooking on it. But yeah, Max knows as well, so we'll definitely look at getting that. Evening Clint, evening Raj, evening Luna. Oh, NMA, the GOAT is in here. Come on. Evening Steve. Sunny today, but cold. It was raining so much last week. Let's say that's mental. Crazy. W Trade, Adam, my guy. Evening Elliot, evening Tony. Pretty concrete, that argument. Can't see how they can argue that. Yeah, Harry, it's very when you look at things, right, it's really, you need to, when they say this stuff, right, these bold claims, they need to back it up with some sort of evidence. And your evidence of a trade, right, so your trade history will be putting that on with your stop loss, moving it break even, or leaving it to take profit. So they can't really say anything. Do you know what I mean? It's not like you added on loads of positions or moved your stop loss about or moved take profit anywhere. You just, do you know what I mean? You just managed the trade properly. So yeah. What's the temperature, Mukul? And now Iran has just launched some ballistic missiles. GG. Yeah, Elms, I've seen that. That necessarily doesn't mean that will go down yet. It doesn't mean that. Evening Ghost, Evening Warren. You mind running through the idea behind that trade from earlier, bro? Yeah, Reese. So basically, right, the reason for this trade was, if we just zoom in, actually, it'd be fucking easier. So, as we can see, we rejected here to the upside of this trend line, right? I don't like how that dot's there. Wait, there's another dot there? Get that gone. So, once I saw this and I saw this bottom form, all I did was, I knew, ideally, see how we're in this range now as well that I pulled. I expected us to move to around here because of, see how like here we had the lows, the previous lows, and then here we had a low here and some nice like kind of basically barcode and price, right? So there's a lot of volume there. So when we take a lot of volume, as you can see, like we took all this volume and filled the gap that we made. Normally we'll walk into price at a volumetric area and then bounce off it, and then that's what gave this trade. So what I did was, apart from looking at all of that, I pulled my fib like this, and as you can see, it was a golden pocket there. And then also, this is a key thing I've started to tell people, because I forgot, like, not forgot, but sometimes I do things and I just think it's common sense, but I forget people don't actually realize, like, do you know what I mean? I don't think people actually realized what's it called, how key it is. But as you can see, our entry was determined by this. So I pulled two fibs, one off this significant low and one off this significant low, which was a nice wick. And then as you see, we zoom in, that gives us this really tight level here where I had my entry. And all that was literally two fibs together, and then on the golden pocket and 786 in between, see how there's like a tiny little gap? So I had my entry in there, and then yeah, I had my entry on the 0.65 near the 786, and yeah, rest was cinema. Put my stop at the 5-minute low, which was created here. I'll show you the 5-minute low as well. So this 5-minute low, I put my stop there, and then yeah, it was a banger. Evening Bazza, evening Daniel. We allowed to know which prop firm this is? Matt, this is just trading for you. What prop firm do you mean? I'm a goat. Thought I was a duck. Haha. How you doing, house family? Yeah, I'm good. Enemy. Everything's good. But yeah, you are the duck, but you're the goat as well. Double whammy. I moved my stop below highs and 2BE. Yeah, there you go. So that shows, how does that show gambling? It shows like true risk management, you know. Pop it, hi Jay. Okay. This girl, man. Oh my god, Poppy is here. Adam, she's literally sat over here, like over there. That's because we're baby goats, real Steve. Oh mate, I was wondering how you got that entry. Yeah, exactly, Cameron. Like it lined up so perfect. It was just beautiful, man. But anyway, that's. And on the way to the level, so I had that level, and then as you can see, on the way down here, we had a VWAP divergence on the 5-minute, red money flow, VWAP divergence on the 3-minute in the level and before. So before and in the level, as we were coming down twice, and then on the 1-minute, as you can see here, this was gorgeous. If you want to see what momentum divergence looks like, yeah, that is momentum. So everything lined up so nice, and then yeah, Literally wicked in perfect and just went. So that was literally everything that lined up to my trade, and as you can see here as well, we got further momentum as well, which was here. So that propelled us to the upside again. So yeah, that trade was perfection. Nice, bro. Well played. Yeah, it was honestly, Reese was perfect. That's a killer. Yeah, definitely. Good evening, Jay. Well done, keep it up. My guy, Darren. I'm in from 8-3. That's not a bad entry. That on the 618, Cameron. I think it was. What is the fairest prop firm to use? Warren, I'm not going to lie to you. I feel like every prop firm has its kind of issues, let's say. Not its issues, but, like it's kind of... Every prop firm isn't fair. It's designed to make you lose, and it's just how you go about winning. But the best like prop firm I've ever... Let's just say, right, you finally have a lot of issues, but they've paid me out the most money that I've ever got. So I'm not going to say them, but I'll say they paid me out the most. Probably FXify, I'm not going to lie. I'm trialing a prop firm though, but FXify right now is probably my top. To just best experience I think I've had is with them. FXify, yeah, I'll just go with that. Cheeky, Adam, you're cheeky. First trade on the funded is going to be daily open. Let's go. Oh, Robski. Bro's about to cook, man. Holla. Sorry, mate. The prop firm that Harry is having issues with. Oh, Holla Prime. Yeah, Matt. Oh my God, they are stinking, mate. Honestly, so bad. What they did was just the stuff they. I need to kind of actually. Let's just put this like this so we can watch our daily open stuff. But yeah, the stuff they kind of made up to Harry is just mental. Basically, he had a trade that made $6,000, and they said it was a gamble. What? Makes no sense. Got a 2-hour written exam followed by another 1-hour written exam, then 2-hour practical assessment tomorrow. So you're gonna have to trade for me tomorrow, mate. Tony, send me your account details. I'll do it. You right, Simon? Jay, am I getting some tonight then or what? Okay, this guy. What? Huh? Evening, Sean. At a buy limit 4482.5 from this app. Similarity. Nice, man. That is beautiful. That. Where's open candle? This one. I don't really like what we're doing really on open. I'm trying to just mince it about. Evening, Alex. You little cutie. Now that's hot. No, Adam, you're hot. Did you hold market closing trade? Yes, I did, Dev. I can't remember what I was doing, but I'm not gonna lie. I think I was asleep or doing something else. But yeah, I just didn't. I couldn't update. I said to go B. I probably should have said to hold over close because that's what I was gonna do. But yeah, I just, you know what I mean. I just forgot. But then I went to McDonald's, so it's fine. That was 6 minutes. Yeah, I thought so. I'm in from 480, still holding. Yeah, Rob, I'd hold this for quite. If we don't come down, Rob, I'm holding this for like at least TP1. 4509 looks nice, and then further up, that's why I got the TPs. Jay, what's your favorite thing about trading? What are these? Poppy, what? Do me a favor, Poppy, and get me that flag off him. Lance, are you gonna give Lan the flag? Oh, okay. Game's gone. My favourite thing about trading is buying you all these Mulberry bags and all these Gucci bags and stuff. Nah, I'm joking. It's not. It's just that I get to teach other people to make money for their family. FX5 Goat, yeah, real. I'm still waiting on my fix of. Whoa, FX5 payout. Whoa, Adam, what? Have they not sent it to you yet? That's poor. Don't forget. How does a prop firm make money if it's betting just solely against? So Aaron, most prop firms make money off the like. So they make money off you paying for the account, and then obviously they take a, what's it called? They take like a percentage of how much you make, right? But you got to remember how many people fail accounts and how many people buy accounts and fail them or blow them, etc. Right? So that's their main source of income. And then some also what's it called? Some also make money off like your data, selling it. But yeah, the main thing they get money off is like just people buying accounts. Don't forget to have your ID ready. Yeah, Chris, don't worry, I got you. He nailed the flag to the wall. Well, you're just lying. You can literally basically, right? For everyone who's read that and think I'm a psychopath and nailing the flag to the wall, there's holes in the flag, yeah. So I've just put nails in and put the holes on the nails. I nailed the actual flag. So you could just take it off the wall. You think we'll fail this imbalance on the upside, mate? Look, I hope so. By the looks of how market is opening, I like how we went to the upside. I just don't see us really, like, I don't want to see us come down really. What I do want to see is in Asia. I want to see how we've got like we just have all this gap to fill. So I'd want to see like minimum around here filled. I'd say like a decent area to take a lot of profit off would be 4,520. Up there, that's nice. But anyway, I should probably mark up, so let's do that. And that's saying if R buys the bottom, which I hope it is. Yeah, look, 4,520, there you go. That's where kind of just guessed where the golden pocket would be, because not going to lie, I do think we're in for more downside. I just don't know when, but I hope we go up here at least. Just sent you a screenshot. Oh yeah, mincing about ain't it again? Yeah, it always does it. It always does it. Just price when it opens just loves a little mince about. Well said. What a go. Yeah, holding for full TP or nothing. Okay, this guy. Well said. What a go, my guy. And don't worry, mate. You can just go on your bank account and then edit the transaction to FXFi and change the amount to 5k. What do you mean, Alex? They're proper payouts, mate. Proper payouts. Don't take the mick out of him, mate. He'll come for you. Just like Leon is. Leon's going to find you, mate. By the way, Alex, I got something funny to tell you. So I was speaking to someone recently, and Leon's been begging for a job at Mercedes to come back to live in the UK. And he got fired, and he works for BMW and Honda, and he got fired from both of them. So I thought you'd like that one, mate. Funny. So yeah, Alex, I thought you'd like that one, so I'll tell you that. Funny. There is absolutely nothing in here. Jesus. 0 level in here. Brilliant. Yeah, bro, what is this? Honestly, what? Like, there's nothing in that golden pocket, really. It's not great, is it? Let's see what lines up with any of this. Nothing lines up there. Price is kind of in a weird place at the moment. We're not really seeing much movement or anything. Just kind of just waiting for what pricing do. I mean, I don't mind this actually. View up close. Something like this. 0.86 plus previous data plus view up close plus via low. That's quite nice. Quite like that. Is there anything else that lines up here? No, not really. Oh, it didn't go in caps, that's annoying. So 0.886 plus previous daily low plus value area layout, and then plus VWAP close. Cool. This area is alright. Pretty good. Let me quickly type you in like this. Copy you. And then copy you as well. Right. Kind of just gonna wait for this really, because this is like the only thing that looks alright. Everything else just looks a bit mid at the moment. Right. Turn you off. Put you on. Let's see what you're saying. Scanning for long. Ooh. Let's go here like this. Oh, so we're just sitting on the pivot really at the moment. Yeah, not great. Big candle up, yeah. Off this one, and then I just want to see us do something really. That's all. Would love 4-5-20. Oh, same. Being in the Knicks, Jay has, mate. Better be careful, Alex. Class. That's good. Aim for AA6 plus daily open. Where's that? Oh, is that on a sell? You might be right, to be fair, Gus. He's actually got my Telegram. He promotes ORFX to me all of the time. Alex, that's so real, bro. What a guy, man. What an absolute goat. A86 plus daily open. 1 second, let's turn you off and turn you on. Ooh, hang on. Glad you said that now, because the VWAP closes there as well. Previous daily and VWAP close on the A86. Now we're talking. The goat has spoken. Wait, where's previous daily? The only problem with this is like previous dailies are like previous daily opens up here. So what we'd have to do is put like probably something like this in there. Hang on, let me see what fits in here quick. Off all of this. 1 sec. See if this fits as well. No, nothing really fits in there. What about this? Nah, not really anything, to be fair. We could just do this, or we could do... yeah, we'll do this one. VWAP. So 0.886 plus VWAP close plus previous daily. Plus, would that be very hard? No, not even that. 0.886 plus VWAP close plus previous daily open. We'll just have to go with that, I reckon. I think once we see where price actually goes. This golden pocket is nice, just nothing lines up in there, which is a bit annoying. But yeah, once we see what price actually does in Asia, I think this would be like the nice kind of area. But right now we got these two levels, which is happy with that. Let me type you on there. Copy you. And then and copy you. Sound beautiful. You got a magnetic key. That's just, bro. I don't know why, but I always just type really, really hard. I don't know why. It's just what I do on laptops. For some reason, I just love like, I don't know, bro. It's weird. I'm a weird guy, man. Very ADHD riddled and everything. Pretty much everything that like could go wrong with a bloke's me. I'm just got like massive. I'm just like. What's VWAP close? Basically, Lorenzo. Is that Lorenzo? Yeah. Lorenzo, VWAP close is just where VWAP closes before open. So market close, where VWAP is, that's VWAP close, and then it opens and then realigns. Hey Pookie Wookie, Brandon, bro. Don't disrespect someone's past. You don't know what past. You don't know what these criminals have been through. That Honda job could have meant the world to him. How would you feel if your dream job was taken away from you? Do better. Oh God, Alex, Jesus. See, sometimes it's funny, but this one I'm just like, bro, this ain't it. Yes, for the sale. Yeah, I got that, Gus. Hey, Brandon. Oh, Clint's chatting to Brandon. Clint's moving to him. Get up. Who's this guy? Louis. This guy. Louis, where have you been? Bro's just disappeared out of the Discord. Anyone else think this guy's just disappeared? Or is it me? Louis just doesn't talk anymore. Hi, daily open buy at Golden Pocket. What do you mean? Daily open buy at what? Here? Like this? Easter? In there? I don't really know. We haven't really got that impulse move that I want normally for daily open strat. We're kind of just ball flagging here, which actually is really nice. We'll probably wait for like a move out of this. Wait for a move outside of these trend lines, and we'll probably capitalize on that. To be fair, I'm gonna wait for a candle closure out of it, and then look, we're scanning for longs as well. Looks decent, but we'll have to see. This does look nice though. Wait for a candle close above. Stop at the low. We're cooking. That's crazy to have a sell at 4523. Yeah, Louis, is that the Jesus? Goddamn. Is that the Golden Pocket? Because if it is, what's it called? We could wait for a retap of this trend line. Target the upside really. Should we get in on this? We'll have a look. Let me draw up on here so I can actually see stuff. Like this. Like this. Wait for this to close above. If this closes above and closes nicely above it, getting in on this. Stop loss. Where's my stop loss gone? Cheers, mate. Let me do this quickly. Let me cook up a storm. Oh, I didn't close above. Right, we'll have to wait. Surely Leon will try to carry on trading game is truly gone. Lan, he's cooked, bro. I'll be honest, because if you're known as like a scammer, yeah, or you're known as someone who's like just takes money from people, and then the only reason he speaks to you is to stop the dispute with the bank. That's crazy, bro. His reputation's done, isn't it? Yesterday, oh right, bit lower than yours. Yesterday, oh, this is what you're saying. Yesterday's value area high is pretty close to that GP. Yeah, I just don't like how there's like no other key levels in it. Like the previous value area high, that's it. It's just a bit like meaty in it. Yesterday, how are you, Sugar? I'm good, man. How are you? Mate, the delay on the live is immense. There's a 3-minute delay. Brandon, I'll tell you why. It's probably because of you, because you've ruined it. I had to, what's it called? When I went to go live a minute ago, yeah, I had to change some of the settings. So I don't know what you're changing, yeah, but stop, because it's ruining mine. But I don't know. It might be, to be fair, it might just be tonight, because normally it's alright. But yeah, I don't know. Yeah, man, fell out of love with it all. The woman had something to do with that too. Last 2 weeks being on the charts, but not active in the Discord. I don't have time for it. Fairs, Louis. So fair. Fairs. Can't really argue with that, can you? That's not a lie. So, yeah, bro. Like, is what it is, isn't it? But definitely drop me that Cornwall internet. Lan, I'm not even in Cornwall at the moment. So it can't be a Cornwall internet. If I was in Cornwall, yeah, my Starlink would not do this. It's cooking, man. Oh, I forgot about the spreads. Yeah, bro. What is that? Jeez, how is that spread up there? Gardening. Look at that. Out the ball flag. Would have been lovely. We'll just go straight to stop loss. Out of nowhere. What's it called? Let's go on here actually. Get rid of that. Can you show how you overlap fib to good effect? So sham. Basically, all I want to see when I overlap a fib, right, is when you're looking at something, get rid of this so we can just see a plain chart. So just with this, with a plain chart, right, what you want to see is you want to see like previous lows and just go off that. So for example, right, we could put a fib off here, off this low. So here's Brandon's, I think Brandon called this buy, right? So you could put a fib off that low, fib off this low, right? And then a fib off this low down here. See how this red candle, you put a fib off here as well, because that's definitely a 30-minute low. And as you can see, right, instead of having one golden pocket like this, you've got a golden pocket at 786 and 886 that line up. So you could actually have like this zone, because then you've got 0.65, 0.786 and a 0.886 all together, making like that insane confluence. So not just the golden pocket. Obviously here it almost wicked, to be fair. So with this zone, it would have been a lot stronger, in my opinion, and I'd like that zone more than just the golden pocket, because as you see, we went into a bit of drawdown. But that's basically overlapping fibs in a nutshell, really. But yeah, that's pretty much the way I overlap fibs. And then going over it for this buy, right? Going over it for this buy, I literally just pulled this like this, and then see this low as well, this significant low, pulled this like this, and then it just lined up like that. Any time frame on overlapping fib, sham, higher time frame the better, really. That's my opinion. Yeah, man, like higher time frame, stronger. So like if you do on the 4 hour, right? So let's delete all of this, right? So let's go back here, right? So let's say this didn't happen, right? And you're looking for a buy off this, a buy off here, which did happen, but you can pull off like this low to here, and then just keep like pulling to see like what lines up. And then as you can see, right, the golden pocket, we got like 3, right, and nothing really lined up in it because they're all together. So with that, I mean, we got both wicks off the 786. See that one there. So with overlapping fibs, it is like fib double whammy strat. But yeah, like just overlapping fibs to just put a load of things into context is a lot better. In my opinion, it's just a lot stronger. But yeah, that's pretty much what you can do at any time frame you want, really. Hello, new trader, you good? Jordan, you good? Fib double whammy strat. You know what? Yeah, I reckon if you go like on, what would this be like, the 30 minutes, something like that. See how many fibs we can get pulled on this. So you got one there, got one here. Hang on, let's see how many we can actually pull. There is a low here as well. So there you go. There you go. So look how many things we had in there. That's off. I mean, that would have been a better zone, to be fair, the double 786, but I wanted the golden pocket in it. But yeah, see, it's like you just combo fibs together and it gives you really nice confluence, which is what I like. Is there a daily open trade today? Let me see, Jordan, because I was too busy chatting, to be fair. Now we're kind of just bull flagging, really. Like, yeah, just bull flagging down. It's not, we haven't really got our impulse move yet, which is kind of just a bit sad. But I mean, we could. Oh, that's the wrong thing. Yeah, we're just bull flagging to the downside, really. That's all. Just a bull flag channel. How come Max didn't discuss any lives on the live stream, any levels on the live stream today? I don't even know. Is why did you not ask him to? If you didn't discuss, to be fair to him, like the levels I've got, there's not very many levels. Do you know what I mean? Like I've just got 886s of this range, really. Like we came up into this range and I've just got 886s now because that's what the only thing I want to look at. Just this range into these or these. That's all. This is plus very high as well. So yeah, that like I don't blame them for not pulling anything. There's not really much to pull from, if that makes sense. Like filling a glass up with confidence. More fibs the better. Yeah, exactly, Lan. It is what it is. Just opened a 100k goat. See if this will make me get back in the game. Louis, I don't know what you know about goat, but what's it called? Oh, this is my stop loss. But they had a bit of a stinker with me. Well, not with me, but yeah, it's a weird kind of scenario. They sent me like fake withdrawal stuff. I still got my payout, to be fair, but yeah, they like sent me fake withdrawal like screenshots, and I showed Max, and me and Max were just like, that doesn't look right. But yeah, I was like, doesn't look great, mate. So just be careful of that. That's why, like, on my goat now, I just mess around and just take like random stuff on it. I don't really care that much about my account. I think this has been at break even here for so long, for like a good few trades now, because I just, yeah. But this actually looks nice now. Might close the buy and wait for low entry. Robski, do what you want. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, my advice would be do what makes you feel. Like, I see us bull flagging here, right? But manage the trade however you want. Good evening, bro. How's it going? XPR's going good, man. How are you? I'm just chilling, waiting for this bull flag to play out. Well, to see if it plays out or not. Got this nice entry, so we'll just see. Hopefully, see something like this. Hopefully to TP1, but I don't know. It's kind of just waiting around for market to do something, make a decision. Do you still hold till TP1 with break even? Yeah, lol. I took partials at what's it called? I took partials at 1R just to secure something from the trade, and then went from there. Jay, where are you from originally? Sounds like Portsmouth. Stuart, so I'm actually from. So I was born in Plymouth. So I'm a Jana originally, but my dad was from North London, and I think my mum's from like Cornwall. So I've got like a bit of North London, bit of Cornwall, bit of Plymouth in me. It's just all that. It's weird, but yeah, Plymouth originally. I was born. How's your youth funding going, Jordan? I don't even want to talk about that, bro. You've seen on the live when my stop loss just ran away. So yeah, bro. I can't be asked with doing that right now. I might get back on it, but yeah, I don't want to get on the after. So I built up my account for like, oh, he's talking to Lewis. Yeah, bro. What's a bull flag tell you? Basically, Chris, this is what a bull flag tells you. So we hit this bottom here and we came up, right? So we came up to the upside. This is basically buyers breathing to then go up to the upside again. So it's basically buyers just letting sellers take up the market so they can get enough volume to explode to the upside again. So a bull flag is when price rejects the upside. So say we're coming to the downside and then we go bullish, which we did here. We're going up, and then all this is just a sheer little pullback to then go higher. That's all. Well, that's what I want. That's what I want to see. But that's what a bull flag does. What is a bull flag? Oh, I'll just describe that. Now I've been living under a rock. Dude, I'll be careful. Car sales been treating me okay, so we've got some cash laying around. Oh, bro's cooking. Come on. Going well. We'll just finish my evening back testing. Brains fried. Time to watch and support the bro. My guy, XPR. My guy. Always. But I was rating the raw note. Yeah, bro. I'm still holding for full position with B set. EV TP1 or B. Look, I don't hate it, bro. I'll be honest. Like TP1's not that far away, in my opinion. Like what? Where is TP1? 4508. Like it's this high. That is so reachable in my opinion. I think we will come up here. It just depends if we tag BE or not. But hopefully for you, lol, and for everyone in my trade, we can just do this. Hopefully, but we'll have to see. Yeah, TP1's not even that far away. I asked earlier if you was from Plymouth. I lived there when Union Street was the best. Oh, Steve, bro. My dad used to tell me about that stuff. He used to tell me about Union Street was crazy. At least you're not under review again. Yeah, real. Have you got your veterans card yet, Jay? Lon, I ain't applying for that. I ain't applying for that shit, bro. Ain't no way. I don't want to be. What's it called? Related to them? Ugh, no thanks. What does what does the veterans card even do? What, say that? Oh, I've been in the military. Wow. There you go. There's the bull flag going. Oof. That is an insane candle. Jeez. So, Chris, this is basically what bull flag is. Boink. What we got there with that impulse candle? Oh, never mind. We're rejecting it as well. What is that candle? Jeez. Well, I thought, whoa, what news just came out? That's mental. God damn. Trump tweeted something again. Oh, bro. if he's tweeted something, I swear, bro. Hopefully we don't hit the BE. Oh, lol. After seeing that candle, I don't even know what to expect anymore. What is that, Brev? What is that? We went to the upside and then just ran away. Ugh. But basically, Chris, what we wanted to see off this bull flag was this. Like that. Which we did get here, and then it just somehow went like this. Probably someone's tweeted something or something. I'm not surprised. New Zealand news. Oh, really? Let me see. Don't think so. Oh, of course. Iran has targeted Diddy candle is Adam about this guy. This, bro. What is that? Yeah, bro. Every time. Iran has targeted US military sites in Kuwait. Yeah, bro. This is just like, it's always me. Why is it always me? Why is it always me though? You know, like Balotelli when he lifts up his shirt, and it's like, why is it always me? It actually is, bro. Oh, so bad. What is that? What is that candle? Lol. Yeah, I know. Jagon Financial Juice, bro. What is that? Can they give it a rest for 5 minutes? Yeah, I agree, Lon. Like, what is that, bro? Another big reason for me not to trade with this war. Trump trigger words. Chart has been messy for months, so just left. And I don't blame you, Louis. To be fair, the chart is just mental. The Iran-US stuff is just gross. Yeah, it actually is though. It's just so boring. Like, who actually cares? It's just boring now. Like for the chart, I would just go trade like GBP, fucking GBP, orange juice. You know what I mean? At least Trump can affect that. Bit of bad news for the New Zealand down, gold down. I'm still hoping we break the upset. So am I, Law, but God knows what we're gonna do now with that candle. Balotelli ball knowledge. This guy knows. This guy knows. Go it. You know what though? Yeah. Would that have been daily open strat? Nah, it would have been. It would have missed. But to be fair, that is the impulse move. So let's see what happens, eh? There we go. And some confidence. We have a previous high in the 86 as well, so that's a dub. Let's trade XAUUSD. Oh god. Just brought that candle back up. Yeah, crazy, innit? This is the thing though, James. Right? Like, this bull flag is still playing out, right? Because we've basically just went back inside it. But just like for the people who like saw this candle come out of the bull flag and like went to enter a trade, they would have got wicked out now, and now they'll watch it go right back up. It's crazy, mental stuff, man. Mental stuff. Full port buys. Okay, we are having no full port talk in this chat. No. 4492.10. Let's. Thing is, I don't mind if we lose this daily open strat. That's all, because yeah, because we've already. Do you know what I mean? We're already on a buy, so it doesn't really matter. We're winning either way. 4494, I think that was. Cool. Right, let's see what happens here. Little daily open strat coming in to play. Oh, we pop 4492.10, 4494. Yeah, I got that. Sound. Oil's still going up crazy. Jay, do you add to winning positions? Yeah, Alex, I do. I'm just very cautious adding to a buy right now because, as you can see, yeah, we can just do this in 1 second. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's just not worth it. Whereas, basically, the way I see it is every news that comes out is probably going to be more favourable of a sell on gold than it is going to be on a buy, because Trump can say what he wants about Iran making a deal, but see these massive candles to the downside, I just don't believe him ever until there's like it's confirmed by Iran. Because what you need to look at with the news is most of the things where it's like, oh my god, we're at a deal, it's just Trump saying it, so it's actually just lies, really. You got to think about it, it's just lying the whole time. But yeah, I would have added onto this here if I wasn't asleep. Can you write daily open on chart? What does that mean? Do you mean the trade? I can write daily open for you if you want. There you go, Issa. Oh, I like that one. What's the levels to buy and stop? What does that mean? Ah, the trade. Oh, okay. So the trade is TP can be anything. Like, it's just this. That's it, Issa. There you go. Ah, man. 4492.1 and then 4494. I got you, bro. Don't worry about it, man. But yeah, let's see if this comes through. If not, this is the thing though. If this doesn't come through yet, we're winning either way because we're already in that buy. So. Oh wait, hang on. Let's There you go. There's another. Just so I can confirm it's a sell, so you lot don't think it's buy or anything. Yeah, bro. What is this? This is mad. This is just mental candles. This like massive one to the downside, massive one to the upside, massive one. Who would want to trade this? I'm glad we're in a trade. You know, like that's just running. Because if we weren't, watching this is just disgusting. Let's get ready to full. Okay, this guy, Alex, chill, man. Let's see if we take this low, I think we're just gonna go down, and then we'll break even, and then probably go down a bit further. But yeah, we'll have to see what happens. I just wish this wall would just stop now, because it actually is just boring. It gets so boring, man, honestly. No, I can just delete this, to be fair. Just put this like this. There you go. Cool, man. TP buy, then enter sell. Oh, okay, this guy. Thing is, though, this bull flag's still getting respected. So, this daily open strat could be a bad idea. You never know. If we break above here, we could just not even hit this and go down. We could just go straight through this and just up and up. Mental. So we'll have to see what happens. What's happening? Get off my screen. Yeah, sound. Brilliant. Cool. I think that just stick with currency or stocks too much interference with the orange man. Stoney, I don't blame you. If I didn't, what's it called? If I didn't like just vow to trade gold, because I vowed to just trade gold before Trump got in office, but I wish I didn't say that now because this is as you can see, just everything's a bit kind of, what's the best way to say it? Just uncertain. Everything's just so uncertain, really. Everything that happens, it just doesn't help, does it? I hope we don't hit the daily open strat and continue to the upside. I don't mind, lol. I'm gonna do my daily open strat, you know, like I'm always gonna do it. It's something that I'm testing and it's worked 2 nights in a row, so why wouldn't I do it again? But what I want to see is like hopefully come up out of the bull flag, tap this down here, and then go. Because that would be cinema. And everyone wins. I'd win on that. I'd win on that. I'd win on my buy, and then yeah, be chilling. Best thing Jay does is draw the squiggly lines. This guy. It is true, to be fair. I do love a little drawing. Are we closing the long position? No, Falcon, we're not. Robski fly high gold. Yeah, real. Let's see what. You never know, though. This candle could have just been, you know, the volume we needed to collect to go to the upside. But by the looks of it, I do think we're going down. But hopefully, like this. Hang on, let me extend this trend line so I can kind of get like a plan in place. Extend this like this. Cool. So give me this. Right, the plan that's going to happen is we're going to go bounce off this, come up, come down, they go like that. Everyone wins then. Charts have been harsh, to be fair. US30 keeps tagging my ass, so they're running, and gold's just trumping. Yeah, real. Squiggly lines actually teach you more than you think. Now they actually do though, Issa. Like, it's so class. Like, these are just my favorite things to like teach with, because then you can just draw, and then people can just see what you mean instead of just saying stuff. You can just tell them. I think that was something to liquidate sellers. Hope so. Yeah, we'll have to just see law as the price goes. But if we take this low, I'll probably just end the live then, because I don't think we'll be coming back up. Gotta remember how close we are to like our break even as well. This is just painful to watch. Low, I'm gonna hold the longs. I'm not gonna lie to you. Actually, when marking up daily open strat, do you just take the opening candle top and bottom, or do you wait for the opening move to finish regardless of how many candles close till the move is finished? Yeah, basically, actually, like say so this high is where I pull from, and that's not the opening candle. So I'll pull it from like where we see open, yeah. I'll wait for the top and then an impulse move, or the bottom and then an impulse move, and then I'll pull stuff. But yeah, no, I don't just use the first candle. I use the high and the low of open. Elliot, I've only been trading for 2 months, so Trump around is all I know. Elliot, the charts were so much better when you weren't here. I'll be so honest. The charts were so good before you started trading. The charts were cinema. Every golden pocket was respected. Everything just made sense. It was so good. And then we got Trump in office, and it was just like, yeah, oh dear. It all just kind of went downhill after that. It's like a big old rain cloud, Elliot. Yeah, true. Like, look at these candles on the 1 minute. Yeah, this is just not normal. What is this? Just what is it? Like, what are we doing? Is it midnight or 1 a.m. we sometimes come out? Both, Matt. It can be midnight or 1 a.m. But like, look at this candle on the 1 minute. What is this? What are we doing here? So we get this candle, and then we got this candle, and then we got this candle, and then we just got like, what's going on here? We're just making this is just madness. I might take a miss on daily open chart. Do it, Issa. If you think it's not good, do it now. Like, bring back PA from Louis, for real, bro, for real. Tell him. PA from a year ago was just so sweet, so good. Now we've got this disgusting stuff. So bad. It's not even, you know what, I'm not even going to class it as price action because it's just Trump tweeting stuff. So it doesn't even count. It just doesn't even count as price action. It's just tweets moving the market. It's so boring. I'm still in the buy, got partials left, just going to let it ride or hit CV. Yeah, Issa, same. I mean, this daily open strat, the only reason I'm doing it is just to test it. Genuinely hideous. eBay reselling, calling my name. Oh, God, no. Jesus. Louis, my missus does reselling. It's a pain, like. Jay, would you ever trade oil? Usman, I have traded oil before. It's just like the only trade I've done on oil was when Trump got in office and he was threatening Iran. Iran? What is it? What? When he was threatening Iran, I bought oil and yeah, it did quite well. But I just bought off the hope that it would go up because I knew he'd just start something. That's just what he does in office. Do you know what I mean? He doesn't really do anything else. He should be in jail. Who should be, Elms? Trump. The US has bombed 10 other countries in the last 20 years. Yeah, bro. Even that is just mental, isn't it? Is that when you flip 500 to 20k? No, so I flipped that on gold. But let's just say I did flip a good amount of money to a large amount of money off oil. Let's just keep it like that. Let's just say that one. Trump, yeah, probably. You know what, Elms? I don't blame you. Like, probably, yeah. Obviously, I don't really know. I don't know the ins and outs of politicians. I don't really care that much about it. The only reason I know of him is because he just ruins the charts every 5 seconds. Um, how's the family? The family's good, bro. I'm going, so because I'm at the Navy now, I'm gonna be going home on Friday. So my mum will see me for the first time. So for the first time in like 3 years, my mum will see me for longer than 2 days at home. That's crazy. Um, and Paris is good, man. She's chilling. I'm down for a catch up with you free at any point. I'll give you a yeah. Just do it, Lou. Just give me a call and I'll answer. People go so much for it. We have enough of our own problems with two tier star. Oh mate, don't talk about that guy. Nah. Right, that's yeah. We've took the low. Yeah, bro. What is this? This PA is just mid. It's just not even worth it, is it? Um, Go on, Jay. I'm off. Take it easy. Had a good day because of you today. Call was nice. We came back stronger tomorrow. See you later. See you later, Issa. U.S. economy relies on war. Unfortunately, they're too heavily invested. Yeah, I agree. Lan, they want everything to be sold in USD. God, oil speaks for itself. Yeah. They went, lovely. Did you have to sign an NDA when you quit? Yeah, I did. I did, Usman. What are the TPs for the day open shot? Falcon, I'm not even. We've took the low. I'm not even bothering now. I'm just gonna end the live and go sleep probably because this price action is not appealing at all to me or to anyone probably. So yeah, if anyone sick, okay, I've worked so gonna go to bed soon. So one of the next couple of days you'll have a message from me. But nice to chat to you and see you smashing it. Louis, drop me a message and we'll chat, bro. I got you. But yeah, have a nice time at work. But I'll I'll I'm off anyway, guys, because of this price action. I just think when you see stuff like this, it's best just step away because who actually wants to look at this? Do you know what I mean? It's just awful. Like look at this 1 minute candle. But anyway, I'll see you all tomorrow. Is the sell limit still possibly worth it? Yeah, probably. But yeah, guys, if that's it, have a good evening, and then I'll see you all tomorrow. Hopefully we get a good trade. But yeah, see you in a bit. See you in a bit, Louis. See you in a bit, Chris, Steve, Joe, Rule, Chris, Matt, Shaz, Rule, Elliot, Gianni, Clint, Law, Lan, Chris, Lazy Queen, Elms, Chris, Tony, Big Rick, Reese, Michael, John. Not everyone.